guys, welcome to the vlog. Alright, so this is Tony from Tonii'z Diary, and today I am back with another vlog. I know I have not posted last week, but I decided that this week is not going to go in vain. So if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe, and if you're returned subscribers, welcome. I love to have you guys here with me. It means a lot. Yes, a lot. And yeah, all right, so this week I am going to be juicing. I told you guys the next video that you're going to be seeing is me juicing, right? And I'm going to be going straight into that. Today is Sunday. Oh, this is my little blouse that I bought from Shein, guys. I like it. Yeah, so today is Sunday. I'm not feeling well. I don't know what's going on, but my stomach area is not well. I don't know if it's the fact that I did not eat anything yesterday until about 5:45, and the first thing I ate was rice, and I'm not supposed to eat rice. I'm on a strict diet, and maybe that's why. Maybe it's the God saying, you know, you fit happy. You say you're not. You know, but I don't know. I was supposed to help my cousin with a song. She's visiting. She's gonna preach. And you know, I was supposed to assist her, but based on how I'm feeling, especially my stomach area, I don't think it's wise to go thus far. I don't think it's wise to go that far, knowing how I feel. After Husbandita and I got home, we went straight to the room and we slept. And we didn't wake up until after 3. I don't know, my watch is always dead whenever I'm trying to vlog. Oh, I have my phone, I can check the time. So it's 3:33. 3:38. Jesus, come on, let me have dyslexia. And we just run come on the road, guys, to get some stuff to make the juice, because I've seen where the juice has been helping me. So, you know, and I don't for the fact that I don't drink juice on a regular day, but when I do feel for something, at least I have something healthy. No, I see something last week that happened to me. So I bought some beetroot and I made some juice. But to my understanding, whenever you're gonna make your beetroot, and listen, I make these mistakes for you. Do not make these mistakes, okay? If you're looking on doing your whole natural journey, do not, and I repeat, do not keep them in the refrigerator. Make sure you place them in the freezer. Alright, because my beetroot spoiled for me, and it hurt me because beetroot not cheap, and I use a healthy amount of beetroot for it to spoil. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, a little of 10 story now one. I went to the salon. Put on your seatbelt now on a nice number video. I went to the nail tech yesterday. So you remember the nails that I put on for Valentine's Day? So yesterday was the 14th of March, which made it to a month of me wearing those nails. So let me tell you something, trust me, them angle triangle, I love them. So I decided that obviously I'm a almond girly, yeah, so I decided to try something new, which I'm in love. It's calm, it's simple, not too loud, especially for church and stuff like that. Yeah, I love that. And then I did a little sewing. Girl, I'm loving it. I missed the whole sewing era. Went and got some bundles, and you know, yeah, it's just about self-care and feeling better. And at the same time, one of the reasons I love to get my hair done and get certain things done is because I hate to comb my natural hair. Like, if I'm supposed to keep up with my natural hair, I'm definitely gonna cream it back, and that's something I'm trying to maintain, which is my natural hair. I think it's beautiful, and I don't think the cream thing work with me. Every time I cream hair, I have my long luscious hair. A few months in, everything just mash up, tear up, just a pop off. It's just terrible. So, you know, I decided not to cream it. Probably not yet, because I'm not gonna say never, but you know. So say hi to Jermaine. Say hi, Germs.
Hi, I'm not carrying him on Sunday dinner.
But yeah, so I'm heading home now. So I'm going to see if I can get this video out today, because it's not gonna be a long one. Because like I said, it's like a juicing video. It's not a cooking video or anything like that. And also, guys, I bought myself the juice bottles on Amazon, and also the cups that I told you guys that I was gonna buy for my meal prep. I got those. Yes, thank Jesus, they came. I went and picked them up yesterday from SSMC. To God be the glory. So now I can have this thing, you know, going. In regards to my food for this week, I am not even sure what I'm going to eat because, guys, we went to the fruits man and we bought some fruits, and believe me, trust me, I never know say I saw something expensive. That's why it's so simple for people to take $100 and buy one buster, because healthy eating and healthy habits and healthy lifestyle is not easy to maintain, especially if you're not having money. But I'm not sure what I'm going to be. I don't know. Probably I do some callaloo rice. Callaloo rice, and I have some chicken. Probably I do that. Or cabbage. I don't know, but I have to figure something out. I think I have a little bit of what you call it? Sweet potato at the house. So I have to go try and mix it for feet work for the 5 days. But like I said, I'm not feeling well and I can't wait for reach home so I can't go into the bathroom. I don't know what's going on with me. But to God be the glory, I have life and I now make it bad, and I go and quench it, because you know they say woman for feel pain, and I go and quench the pain, I now make it quench me, I quench it. Alright guys, so the night has come to an end. Yes, I feel so accomplished, and for that I think I deserve a drink. Alright, so I'm going to drink this. I already started, but I was like, let me drink it with on it. Alright, so obviously I have to shake it up. I hope nothing is showing, guys. I'm about to go and have a shower. Tomorrow is the beginning of a new work week, so let's sample. I have 5 more left for the remainder of the week, so I'm good to go. Alright, so you have to shake it up real good. Remember, no preservatives are in it, so I have to put it in the freezer. But this is glass bottle, so I put it closer to the side of the freezer, which I think is going to preserve it. If not me, I'm gonna know. Alright, as me learn, me teach. So let's go. Guys, 10 out of 10. All I needed was some lime. Alright guys, I'll see you in the morning when I'm going to work. I'm gonna show you when I bring our work with me. And yeah, So I'm gonna bathe now. I said I can put up because you know it's the new work week. So I have to get my rest and stuff. So let's go. Hi guys, morning. Alright, so I'm heading to work now. Yesterday I ended the vlog after I juiced the first juice. I did everything but I ended the vlog after I did the first one because I truly was not feeling well. I don't know what was going on. I told you guys, I think in the clip before the juicing clip, I told you guys that I wasn't feeling well. I don't know what was happening yesterday, but I was just out of it. I just wanted to do what I'm doing and wash up the plate them and just go and have a nap because I just wasn't feeling good. Anyways, I'm going to be taking my turmeric shot now. The juice, this is my melon juice. Yes, it's a glass bottle, by the way. I love the taste of this. If I had lime, it would have slapped more, but can't get no lime. I mean, I make the lime stop me from doing me I do. Now I meal prep my overnight oats with my excuse me. Okay, so I prep my overnight oats and chia seed with my almond milk, right? However, I put less milk in it so the oats suck up everything. So I'm gonna have to put some more milk in it with the yogurt and some fruits, and that would be my breakfast. So this is what I'm going to be having today. So I'm gonna have to put some more stuff in it and then we take it from there. All right, so that is it, and that is also my turmeric shot right now. Oh God, make me just can't deal with this. All right, let's do this. I'm already shaking it up already, so do a little stir. Jamaican people, that's a stir. All right, let's go. And guys, I just wash out the bottle and the turmeric kind of stay in it, but thanks be to God it's glass, so it not gonna really stay in it for long. But whenever I drink, if it's a green juice, fine, it not gonna really do it anything. But the turmeric, it's definitely going to stay in the bottle. And a tip I learned from Rocky Fitness, if that's the name, I think it's Rocky, right? She used a straw, and one of the main reasons I don't have pearly white teeth. I naturally don't have white teeth. So I don't really want to go, fool around no curry and no turmeric because spoil up my teeth, you understand? And I asked my dentist what she think about what teeth whitening, and she honestly said, if you want to do it, I don't have a problem. However, I don't recommend my clients or my customers to do those things. Because what she said I don't remember what she said something that is not very good or something like that. So, and she said it causes sensitivity, and after a while when you bleach the teeth and stuff. So I was like, no. So when it comes on to these things, I don't play. Alright, so I did not make any green juice this week because I still have some green juice in the fridge. Ooh, girl, trust me. If you cannot eat the green stuff then, this is what you need. All right, and for my lunch, so this is my lunch. Hold on. So my lunch, my breakfast, and my juice, and of course I have my tea right over there, so plus water, and that's it. Oh, and I'll have a snack, which is the what you call it, man? The granola bar. Yeah, I'll have one of those as a snack. So that's it, and that's all. Alright guys, so I'm going to be ending the video now because I told you this won't be a long video. I just wanted to show you how I did my juice and everything. You already know how I do my oats, how I meal prep my food and stuff. So I just wanted to give you all a little, yeah. But anyways, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and turn that post notification on. That means when I post, you're the first one to see it, okay? Alright, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.